Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is the day 7 and the problem is vertical order traversal of a binary tree. So given a binary tree, return the vertical order traversal of its nodes values. For each node at position x, y, its left and right child respectively will be at position x minus 1, y minus 1 and x plus 1, y minus 1. Running a vertical line from minus infinity to plus infinity, whenever the vertical line touches some nodes, we report the values of the nodes in order from top to bottom, decreasing by coordinates. If two nodes have the same position, then the value of the node that is reported first is value that is smaller. So, we need to report the value which is smaller in case of x, y coordinate of two nodes is same in a tree. Return a list of non-empty reports in order to x coordinate. Every report will have a list of values of nodes. So, this is the example 1. Let us try to understand over here. So, if we start from root, so 3 is our root node of tree. So, we will assign the coordinate 0, 0 for both x and y here. So, when we go left, x will be decreased by 1, which is minus 1, and y is also decreased by 1, so which is minus 1. So, this coordinate is minus 1 comma minus 1. When we go to the right, the x will increase by 1 and y will still decrease by 1. So, this coordinate is 1 comma minus 1. Now, from this 20, if we go left, so the 1 minus 1 is 0 and minus 1 is minus 2. So, this is minus 0 comma minus 2 and 7 will be 2 comma minus 2. So, this is the coordinate we assign all the nodes in our tree. Now, if we draw the line, we have 3 different values of x, minus 1, 0 and 4, 1 and 2. So, if we draw the vertical lines, one vertical line this with this, another vertical line this, and the third one is this, and the fourth one is this. So, if we see over here, in the first vertical line we will have the node 9. So, we need to return 9 like this. And in second vertical line we have two nodes which is 3 and 15, and if we have to print the y coordinate from top to bottom. So, top is 3 which is 0. So, it is mentioned over here. So, y coordinate from decreasing the y coordinate. So, the decreasing y coordinate here, the y coordinate of 3 is 0 while the 15 is minus 2. So, we will print this like 3 first and then 15. After that the node 20 will come and in the last the node 7 will come. So, this is our vertical order traversal of this tree. So, here is the answer which we created. So, how we will solve this problem? So, first let us forget about the by coordinate and the value relationship. We should just return in any order, just we need to print in a vertical lines, like this is the simplest problem of the printing vertical order traversal. So, how do we print this? So, let us see the another example here. If we have to print this in only the vertical line, so from here we will give the horizontal of this root node is 0. Whenever we go to the left, we will mark is minus 1, x minus previous minus 1, and when we go right, then we will give 1. Similarly, we will go left of left, then it will be minus 2, this will become 0 and this will become 0 and this will become 2. So, this is the horizontal distance we assign to our tree. So, if we print, just we do not care about the by right now. So, if we have to write the code for this, we just use a hash map and where we will keep the values, and we also need to keep the sorted values. So, we will use a tree map, and in tree map we will store the key as our horizontal distance which is x coordinate and the value as our node value itself. Then we will build that hash map, and in the end we will prepare our list of list by using the all the actions. So, if we fill this hash map for this simplest example, so in that case first we will get the 0, in 0 we will get and we will keep the list of values basically here, because we have to track all the nodes of having same x coordinates. So, in 0 we will add first node value root value which is 1, then in minus 1 distance. So, this is a tree map. So, minus 1 will be, this will be automatically sorted, minus 1 will be here and this will have 2. Now, we will go and let us erase this whole this we will come. Okay, so here first 0 we started from here. In 0 we added the 1, then we got the -1 we will add here. -1 will have the node value 2, and then we got another node in the left. We are doing simply DFS traversal, like in order DFS traversal, which is pre-order, like root then left and so on. So now we will get -2 which will come on here, and the value of the node is 4. Then we come to this node 5 which is at distance 5, so we will add the 5 in the along with the 1, and after that we will come to here 3 which is +1. We will add another key value pair in our map, so this will be 3 here. Then we go to the left 0, then we got another node which is 6, and again we comes to here which is at a horizontal distance of or x distance 2, so we will create. So this is our vertical traversal, and we will return like 4, then 2, 1, 4, 5, 1, 5, 6, 3 and 7. So this is like we are not considering the y values. Now we also need to consider the y value as well as the, if two nodes has the same x and y value, then we also need to compare, give based on the smallest value first. So for solving this, what we will do, we just simply create a helper class which will we let it call point class, and this class will have x coordinate, y coordinate and the value of the node. So using this class we will do the first DFS pre-order traversal of our tree and keep track of all the nodes which we are visiting with their x in a one of the list of point. First we just mark the list of point using a simple DFS traversal and mark their x coordinate, y coordinate and the value. Once we got that value, we will sort the list based on first, like we will compare. If let's say we have to sort this, we will sort the array using collections dot sort and let it call is a list itself. So we will pass the list, and the second we have to pass the comparator, custom comparator. So we will pass our comparator here. So I am using a Java 8 lambda operator for comparing this. So first for comparator, first we will check, let's say we have to compare 2 points P1 and P2. So we will first compare if P1 dot x coordinate is equals to the P2 dot x coordinate, then we will compare P1 dot y coordinate if it is also equals to P2 dot y coordinate. Then we just simply return P1 dot value minus P2 dot value. This is the case where x and y coordinate of two nodes is same. Otherwise, if P1 and Y1 is not equal, in that case we will return P2 y minus P1 y. So this is in the reverse order, like decreasing. Y coordinate is from, we are assigning 0 to like y minus 1, then y minus 2 and so on, and we have to print from top to bottom order. So this will be P1 minus y coordinate, P1 dot y coordinate. If P1 x and P2 y is not equal itself, then we just simply return P1 dot x minus P2 dot x. So this is our custom comparator that we will use for sorting. Once we sorted based on the requirement, the way we have to build the vertical order traversal, then we just create a map using the tree map again, because we need to do sorted using the tree map, and we will fill this map by using all the values in the list of nodes. So that, let me explain in the code here. I have written down the code here. So this is, first we created a custom helper class which has coordinate x, y value as discussed. Now we check if there is no node itself in our tree, then we will just simply return here. Otherwise we will create a reference for the list that will hold all the points with their point coordinates x, y and value. we are calling a helper method vtutil and initializing the coordinate x or y for root node is 0 comma 0. So, here is the helper method. We are checking if root is null, then return from here, otherwise add the new point by using x coordinate, y coordinate and the value of that node, and then call the left subtree using root dot left and decrease x y 1 and y y 1. Here in right call increase x y 1 and y decrease again y minus 1. So, this will create a list of all the nodes, and then once we got the list, we will do the sort as explained, this using the custom sorting same way. This is using lambda operator. Once we sorted, we will build the map of all the x coordinate as a key and the list of integer in the y as a value, where all the nodes which lie on the same x coordinate, and follow the order from decreasing by coordinate top to bottom, and the values in if two node has same value in this is already taken care in our comparator. So, once we done here, we created a map. After that, we just simply return the result, create a result set which is list of list, and we have to return. So, let us submit this code. So, this will be accepted. So, what is the time complexity of this solution? So, the time complexity of this solution is like, if you see, this is simplest DFS traversal we are using for the tree. So, it is O of n, and also the space complexity is also O of n, because we are storing all the nodes in our. So, the time complexity and space complexity both O of n. So, that is it. If you like my solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.